Hi guys, welcome to Cheryl's Home Cooking. Welcome to Cheryl's Home Cooking, and today what I'm going to show you is this no-bake creamy pecan pie. So let's get started. So the ingredients that you'll need are 1 8-ounce container of Cool Whip. I have 4 ounces of chopped pecans, and what I did is I chopped them even finer. I left a few off to the side to put on top of the pie. A half a cup of maple syrup. 2 packages of the cream cheese, they're 8 ounces each. I had this at room temperature. 1 pie shell, or you can make your own graham cracker pie shell. And a teaspoon of vanilla extract. So I have my cream cheese in my bowl. I'll pour the maple syrup and then I'll mix this. Before I add the maple syrup, I'll add in the teaspoon of vanilla extract. I'll mix this and then pour in the maple syrup. So I'll eyeball it. There you go. Now I'll mix this. And you want this cream cheese at room temperature. Now I'll add in the maple syrup. Just pour it in. A neighbor of mine made this recipe, so I asked her for it because it was really good. Now I'll blend that in till it's all combined. You can see it all coming together. Now I'll scrape down the sides. I want to make sure it's well combined. That looks good. Now I'm going to fold in the Cool Whip. Now that I scraped the sides, I'm going to fold in those chopped pecans. Now that the pecans are folded in, I'll put it in my pie crust. This is a 9-inch pie crust shell. So now I'll put the mixture in. I'll just push it off to the sides, even it out. That looks good. I set a couple of the pecans off to the side. It's less than a handful. Just place them on top. This is optional. Now you'll refrigerate this for a couple hours, and this is a no bake. So into the fridge it goes. The pie's been in the fridge for a couple hours, so now I'll slice into it and give it a try. That came out perfect. So now I'll place it on my plate. I'll give it a try. Now that looks good. This is really good. Simple and easy and no bake. Deserves a second bite. This is really, really good. Well, thanks so much for tuning in to another episode of Cheryl's Home Cooking and watch me make my maple pecan pie. And it's a no bake. It's really good. Give it a try. I'll see you guys next video. Bye-bye.